Hello everybody, it's Francis from Epic Random. Alright, so today I have another unboxing video, and it's the same as the last time. So it's a Loot Anim, but this one is more heavier, so I'm wondering what's inside. And yeah, I'm gonna open it right now with you. So let's go. And you can order those loot box at lootcrate.com. Alright, so what we have here. Okay, so first of all, I have a box, but what it is, I don't know. Made in China. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty awesome. That's a glass. Naruto glass. Oh, focus isn't right. Yeah. Naruto glass. That's cool. Put it in the collection. And what we have here, we have a t-shirt. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Voltron. You see it? Alright, that's cool. I love Voltron. Maybe not the new anime, but I love it. Alright, so we have another box here. Oh, that is good. So it's a ReZero coffee mug. Alright, let's see what's inside. I hope it's Rem or Emilia. I didn't see it yet, but it is. That's pretty awesome. I love it. I don't remember, is it Ram or Ram? Ram? I think it's Ram. I need to look it up. Yeah, so well, that was a quick unboxing because I only have 3 things inside. And Loot Anim. Okay, I have a sticker. That's it. And a card with what inside. Oh, I was supposed to get yeah, so it was Naruto or Attack on Titan glass, but I got the Naruto one. So there it is. Those 2 little babies and my t-shirt. That is pretty cool. But I was hoping for a little bit more, because most of the time they have more stuff inside. It comes with a poster. So yeah, that's it. That was the quickest unboxing in my life. I'm a bit disappointed, but I'm pretty sure it's worth the money I put in it. Like, I have a 50% off, so I think it cost me 15 bucks, something like that. So 1 glass, 1 t-shirt, 1 mug. I think it's pretty decent. Alright, thank you for watching as always, and please subscribe. I'm gonna do other unboxing video, and next time I hope there will be more stuff in it. Alright, thank you guys, have a good day.